Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today we're returning back to the junkyard. I'm looking for some components for some of the vehicles I'm working on. Specifically, what we're going to be looking for today is a glove box that goes into the dash on a Jeep Wrangler YJ, one of the older ones from the early 90s. And then I'm also going to be looking for another spare tire for another one of my vehicles. So let's head on in there and let's see what they have. Now the fun begins. Here's a Ford Fiesta. Another one, man, this looks, ooh. This one also has seen a lot of action. Definitely in a bad accident. One of the reasons I like coming here as well is it's kind of fun and educational, because a lot of these engines and parts are all ripped open. You can clearly see, like right here's a timing chain on this vehicle. It's broken, but still you can kind of get more of a dissected view of how these things work. This one's in bad shape. Here's an interesting sight to behold, a 1957 Mercury Monterey. Let's check it out. Looks like 61,673 miles on this thing. Look at that. Seats look like the originals too. Pretty bad shape. Still has the tag on it from 1961. There's a 2003 Mercury Marauder. This is the transmission. Here's a Ford Mustang that's obviously seen some better days. Alright, it looks like we're in luck. There's a YJ right here. Take a look at it. Let's see here. It's in pretty bad shape. You go ahead and see if the glove box is still in it. People have already pretty much gutted this thing out, which is usually the case with Jeeps. Glove box looks gone, but I'm going to go ahead and rummage around the garbage out here and see if maybe it fell on the floor. Let's see here. Wait a minute. Here's the door panel, and there's the assembly. And this door goes here. Looks like the clips broke, but we can always glue them back and remake that piece. Either way, I need this. Get behind the dash, we'll get the other ones off. Well, lucked out in getting the glove box out of the Jeep YJ, so we're going to go ahead and use that on the Countach project. I'm going to cut it up. If you want to see how to remove that, please do so via the link above on how to remove it from the Jeep Wrangler. Well, that pretty much wraps up our time here at the junkyard. Although I was not able to find the spare tire I was looking for, the main thing was this Jeep YJ assembly for the glove box, which we did find, and it's in perfect shape. Just need to do some modifications to it, put it back together, and we'll be putting it into the Countach. So that pretty much wraps up this trip here to the junkyard. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, these are fun times if you get an opportunity to go to a junkyard, even if it's just to kind of walk through, see the different engines, everything's all pretty much exposed and dissected so you can see it well. It's actually pretty fun. I like it. But anyway, please send any questions, any comments. I would love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate the support. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel. We'll see you next time.